On this little video clip that I have for you guys. Look at that sea turtle. That's nice. Look at that swimming in the ocean. I got a chance to meet one of them when I was in Hawaii several years ago. Be sure to subscribe to my channel before we move on and turn on that notification bell. So here we are. Let's start with the little blue. Ultramarine blue is what we're going to start off with. And as I mentioned, or may not have mentioned before, my canvas is on the ground. This green screen effect, it might have kind of has a distorted view from your perspective, but it is on the ground like this. So for what we're about to do, makes things a lot easier. I forgot to add while I was talking. Add a little bit of white here in the middle like this. Easy does it. Yeah. So like that. We're trying to get the center as light as possible. And you swipe like this. Yeah, and see what happens. Look at that. Swipe from center to the outer surface of the canvas like this. There you go. Movement. Lots of movement here. And that's what we're trying to convey. Because life is about movement, isn't it? Always moving, constantly, never still. Yeah. So backdrops, you want to try to make it so that not too much, not too little. Yeah, little force, life force. Everything in life has a little frequency, right? Look at that. Just want to convey to you right here, like this. A lot of yellow right here, like that. There you go. Yeah. Just kind of scraping it right here, like this. Yeah, look at this. Okay. And let's see. I think I want to do a little bit more white just to keep things more lighter side here. There you go. And lots of field force energy right here. That's what I want to try to convey here, guys. You don't have to, but here you go. Life force. Field of energy. Okay. That's where our turtles, our subject matter, will be residing in this composition right here, like this. Yeah, like that. That's pretty. Okay, so let's move on to our next stage. It's not completely dry yet, but I think I'm gonna do change my mind a little bit here. I think I'll do a little wet on wet technique for you guys today. So here we are. It's a little turtle. Easy. Turtle, let's see. A little oval shape. Let's start with that. A little oval shape is what I'm trying to do here. There you go. A little oval shape right here like that. That's the first step. Yeah, easy does it. Look at that. See? And a little head. Little head shape right here. Little head shape right here like this. Yep. And outlining the underneath shell and this outer shell. And let me see. Yeah, look at that. As it spreads out its fin right here like this. And this side right here as well. That. A little bit of orange right here. Let's add a little bit of orange right here like this. Yeah. A little bit of orange. A little bit of gold here. A little bit of gold action right here like this. There you go. Nothing to it, really. Okay, and then let's get our toothpick and mix all these colors in like that. All right. This turtle right here swims towards his food perhaps today, a jellyfish. Yeah. And just making suggestion here. Frequency, energy, right here. Right here, like this. Energy. Energy right here. There you go. There you go. Okay, and let's highlight this a little bit more. Highlight this after we've done all of that. Let's highlight this a little bit more right here. Right, just to indicate right here. Turtle right here, like that. There you go. Indicate it's toothpick around just to find the right balance of yellow, black, and gold right here. There you go. There you go. This is our own interpretation, of course. You don't want to be too picture detailed, but somehow a little balance of abstract. And let's give a little highlight here with the white here on this area right here like this. And also right here like this as well. Yeah. A little highlight. And also energy emanating like this. Emanating. Yeah, that's what we're trying to convey. A sense of movement, energy. Right here. Good job. Painting. Okay, so let's try to add a little bit of final outline here as we try to wrap this up here. Yeah, hit that right here like this. And here. This is the neck portion of this turtle right here. And here is the fin flipper, if you will. All right, here we go. As we add this right here, like this. It's always a process, isn't it? Okay. Try to add a little bit more detail to this. There you go. Right. Of movement. That's what I'm trying to convey here. I really like this one, this pattern that I created for you guys. There you go. Look at that, it's moving. flying in the ocean like a bird, gliding through all these currents in search of its prey. Right? An interesting mix of somewhat abstract forms. So I'll do a little bit of fin. You know, flipper. Fin back there, right here, like that. Yeah. There you go. That's the back fin. Cannot forget about that. There you go. All right. All right. You guys doing good? I hope. There you go. Energy, frequency, constant motion, movement. Right here, guys. Bit of gold to finish things up. Here we go. There you go. All right. Okay, so this is what I got for you guys. Hope you guys like this piece as much as I enjoy painting them, and I hope to see you guys again for another exciting day of creation. Bye for now.